Ever heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum? These are just a few examples of cryptocurrencies, digital currencies using cryptography for security. Imagine a world without banks. That's the idea behind cryptocurrencies. They use a technology called blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger. To send Bitcoin to a friend, the transaction is added to a block on the blockchain, creating a growing chain of blocks. Miners verify transactions by solving complex problems, adding them to the blockchain, and get rewarded with new cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies decentralize value exchange, letting you send money anywhere, instantly with low fees, no banks required. Experts believe cryptocurrencies could revolutionize finance, allowing payments via smartphone without cash or credit cards. Challenges remain, like volatility and security concerns, but the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies are enormous. Cryptocurrencies, they are shaping the future of finance.